This stealth black ASUS TUF gaming laptop is lightweight at 2.2 kilograms and features a sleek profile, making it suitable for gamers on the move. The laptop comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 processor, this laptop allows you to play demanding games without lag. With 6 MB cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. The laptop features an 8 GB DDR4 RAM, which is upgradable up to 32 GB. It also features 4 GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics that supports smooth gaming and streaming. ASUS TUF laptop has 512 GB solid-state drive that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with a 48 Wh lithium-ion battery. This ASUS laptop features a 15.6-inch LED backlit Full HD display with anti-glare technology that produces bright and sharp colors with detailed images for an immersive gaming and streaming experience. The Nano Edge design with slim bezels deliver engaging visuals in a compact package, while the IPS display produces accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. It comes with DTS surround sound that delivers high-fidelity theater-quality audio for an immersive audio experience. The laptop comes with a desktop-inspired RGB backlit keyboard that is optimized for gaming. It also comes with ASUS HyperCool technology that ensures cooling even during long gaming sessions. The laptop has two USB 3.1 ports, one USB 2.0 port, one HDMI port, one 3.5mm combo audio jack, and one LAN jack for easy connectivity. This laptop comes with AC adapter included in the box. This ASUS laptop comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit cards, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.